How are you guys doing? I just wanted to say hi. I hope you are all doing well. And I hope you can see me. I just want to say hi. All right, so I'm just going to bring you back down. I am going to be working on this canvas. And I hope you can see it all. That's it. Anyway, hi to all my subscribers, my new likes, to all my new people. I appreciate all the likes and the subscribers and all. I just wanted to show you that when I have a canvas like this, and I put usually a gloss on my acrylic paint. I usually put a gloss. But if I do want to resin this, I usually do this. You see? It has foam in the back. So I make sure it's nice and snugged in there. I'll tape this because it's an opening where air could escape and create a bubble. So, and then I'll tape all this on the inside and then drop the, resin over it. But when you put the foam in, make sure it's nice and snugged in there, but not too snug because it could create a bump. And you don't want a bump on your paint. You want it to be nice and smooth. Now, what you could do is you can get these foams. They sell them on Amazon. And you could get them at this size, or you could get them really big. Then you could cut pieces that you need and use them for canvas, for the back of the canvases. Or if you don't have money, you could get a cardboard and use a cardboard. It's the same thing. That way you can resin your acrylic paints. I usually don't resin too many of my acrylic paints. My acrylic handmade paints, I usually just do a gloss, and I do a gloss also on my acrylic pours. I don't really get into resin with those. Unless it's one that's kind of bumpy and I want it smooth, then I may do a resin over it. But then that's what I do for the back to make sure that the resin comes out nice and smooth. Most of my resins kept separately from all my acrylic pours and my acrylic handmade paintings. So with that said, anyway, I just want to get on with this. Gonna do a beach pour. I haven't done an acrylic pour in a long time, so I wanted to do this in layers. So here we go. Get ready for this. The top is gonna be nice and white like the sky. I think it was that gray one that I have. It's on a 20 canvas by 10 or something like that. It's not a big canvas. It's a very small canvas actually. It's hanging upstairs in my wall in my living room, and everybody loves that one. So these are all from Christina Welch's paints. So I'm using these. I love these paints. And I will write down the name of all of them, like Galaxy Blue Shimmer. I would write all the names of the paints on the description. This is Silver Lake Metallic. This is a Titanium White from Blicks. Now I'm going to use this one. It's Beach Retreat Shimmer. So, yeah, I'm going to use this one. Ocean Teal Blue first. So I'm just putting all these colors down. Hopefully we'll see how they mix together, how they all turn out. Because I want my beach to have different colors. Yeah, like a nice beach. Like a real beach. Like a regular beach, I would say. So, now I made this beige up yesterday with brown and white. So I just added brown and white. And, yeah, now I'm going to mix it all up here. Just let it all go into the areas where they're supposed to. I like to use my hands. I like my hands a lot. As you know me, I like to put my hands in everything because that's the kind of artist I am. I have to feel stuff. I mean, for them to come out right, for my paint to come out right, I just got to feel it. I don't care. I just have to put my hand in it. Except the resin. You want to be careful with resin. Resin could really hurt you. Mix this color in with that one. That's good. Sort of mix them together. Why not? It's going to look beautiful with colors all mixed together. You know, this color. These are all different kinds of greens and blues, you know, so that's why I wanted it like that. I wanted it to be like different textures going across. Yeah. And no, I don't want no real rocks or whatever. Some people put the rocks and all that. I don't want any of that. This is just going to be a plain beach. A nice plain beach. That's all. Look at this blue. How pretty is that blue? Almost look like a sky blue. Yeah. And with that blue, it's even better. Yeah. And the sky, let's make the sky just plain old white. Yeah. Let the sky be all white. Yeah. It has a little blue in there. That's okay. Not the end of the world if you get a little blue mixed up with it. It's fine. Look at that white. How pretty. Very fast painting. Because, you know, the beaches don't take long to do. So I hope you all know that. I'm going to put one thin layer of white here. Another thin layer of white here. And a little thin here in the bottom. Could have a little bit of a wave coming across there. And let's put some more on the top here. Why not? I'm going to need all that white. It's going to be too much white, you know? So, happy I bought a new blowtorch that works, at least. And just hit it up some. Make sure everything goes all nice and smooth. Look at that, nice. And it's blowing out the bubbles that I see there. A few little bubbles, not a whole lot, but enough that you can see it. So now I'm gonna give it a little blower with the blower. Guys, I am happy with the way it is, and that is it. It looks good to me. Let me just pull this down a little bit. A little wave over here. Yeah. Pull this down a little bit over here too. Make a little wave. Yeah. I like the way this stayed here like this, like just the area of that color green, so I like that, and I like this over here, how it became so nice in that color. I got some blue in here I could throw back in here. Yeah, that dark blue is so pretty. It's such a beautiful blue from Christina's colors, you know. So guys, you should go over there and purchase some of her colors. They're really pretty. They're ready to go. And these were without cells producing stuff. I use my own cell producing chemicals in here. Let's put a little wave up here. I like when one little wave just goes up every once in a while. Just one wave. Yeah. Another one of this page should show for the beach here, down here, especially for the sand. I want the sand to look a little bit, show a little bit more. It's okay that it has blue in it. I don't care. good. This is very nice over here. So I'm gonna let this all drip all night, and that's it. That's a nice pour. I'm gonna have this for life, because now when it dries, I could just give it a nice gloss over it. I don't think I'm gonna do resin over this. I want to keep it just like this. See, that's what I mean, that I don't put gloss on everything. I really don't. I mean, I don't put resin on everything. I just don't like to do that. It's not me. All right, all done. I think this is all beautiful, like it should be. Like I want it to be. A little bit of that beige in there. I want that beige in here too. Yeah, let's make it a little bit more open here, because that beige is supposed to be like more sand showing down here than anything. So let's open that up and do. What do you guys think? I think it looks perfect. I just want to do this right here, because this looks like it needs a swipe, a good swipe across. Yeah. It looks beautiful. I'm so happy for this one. And yeah. Just hope it all stays the way it is, and that it just not. Waves to come down, because it'll look more like a beach if I did that. Well guys, let's see how it dries. Hopefully it dries beautiful. So I'm gonna bring you down, because there's nothing else to do. Let me turn this on first. And then turn it off. This thing has two buttons, a turn off button and a lock it button. Hi guys, this is the outcome of my beach pour, and I hope that you like it. That's the whole left side. I'm going up to the top here to the right side. Look how beautiful all those cells in there, huh? More cells in here. And that water just made it all different kinds of blues and greens. And the sand going into the water. And that's the sand down here. And more waves in the sand. I love it. Wait, there's a little blue here. I don't like that. Let me get rid of that. There we go. Okay, now that looks better. A little more cells everywhere again. I love how this one turned out. It's really a beautiful one. And it's a 22-inch round canvas. I hope you guys like it. I love it. I can't wait to just put a gloss on it. I don't think I'm gonna resin this. I think it looks perfect just the way it is. And I don't feel it needs a gloss at all. It's gorgeous the way it is, yeah. That is gorgeous. It looks beautiful. I'm ready for a swim. There we go, guys. Yay. A nice seascape by me. Love you guys. Bye.